Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will know when I upload videos. Today, I'm still doing the Give Me Glow Christmas Morning Palette. And isn't that pretty? And I wanted to do a fun 4th of July look with it because right now it's July 3rd and I want to do another one today and hopefully tomorrow too. So let's get going. So we're going to start off with this red and I'm going to put it above the crease. Now this is going to be a red and blue look and gold. Although we don't have blue in this palette, I'm going to use a blue liner, but you can always grab another palette to grab some blue, which that was definitely a consideration that I thought about, but then I settled on just using a blue liner. I'm going to take my concealer and do a little bit of a cut crease, maybe not the whole lid. I don't know that I need it, just to give me a nice uh, line. I'm going to take me a smaller brush and kind of make this dark around the edge and with the red. I don't want it dark all the way to the top, just the edge. I'm going to leave that out. And then today we're going to use this pretty gold. Let me find a flat brush. So I'm going to take the flat brush with the gold. This is not want to stick good, so I'm going to grab a little bit of glitter glue. The silver seemed to stick a little bit better yesterday. translucent powder and just stick on my brow, try to help blend this red out a little bit better. Next on the agenda, I've got a navy liner, which you can just use eyeshadow if you have a different palette. But I decided on liner, so I didn't have to pull out a second palette. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some black liner and mascara, and I found these fun lashes that got a little bit of color in them. You can see these have blue and green and yellow, and I've never used them before. I went ahead and cut some down to be sort of half lashes, although they're bigger than half lashes, and we're going to see how that looks today. First, I'm going to line and mascara though. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and use my Glam Light Complexion palette. I think these are the nicest palettes. These were a really good value too. After we take the tape off and see what we need to clean up. Oh, we didn't have to clean up a whole lot today. Y'all leave in the comments. Could we wear these lashes to work? Or is this a weekend thing? A party thing? So I start off with the darkest shade, then I move to the lightest shade, and then I go under lines, under the eyes, and then very last, after I put on all the powder, I use highlighter. And I don't wear foundation anymore since I'm older. It's typically some kind of tinted sunscreen, except here lately I've been wearing some green color correcting sunscreen. I don't know that I'll buy that again because some cosmetics it will try to turn orange instead of pink. So I learned my lesson on that. And I already did my hair today. It's just pulled up in a ponytail and then a scrunchie, a fake hair scrunchie. I don't know if I got my eyelashes well even, but they're on. Even when cutting them, one of them seemed smaller than the other, but I cut three little sections off, so it shouldn't have been. They should have been just alike. But now I'm using the lighter shade of pink. Now I've got under the eyes. I think this was my favorite Glam Light Complexion Kit. I liked the purple one, but it goes lavender under the eyes, and sometimes I just feel that's a bit much. And then the pink one's okay too, but it goes pink under the eyes. And I'll wear them. I use all three. I remember when I got them, a subscriber got them for me. I was questioning whether we'd use them. Now for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use some of this CoverGirl Skin Enhancing Baked Powder. Now that I am not using, what do I want to say? Setting spray today because I'm staying home. There's no sense. If it rubs off, it's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my highlighter, which I love this highlighter too. And I'm going to put some on my brow. I've got my blue Glam Light lip kit too. And I love this lip kit too. I love them all. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. Leave in the comments if you like these lashes. I did Google or go on Amazon and see what other, there's all kind of crazy lashes, but it was late and I was tired, so I didn't see a whole lot. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love all my subscribers and viewers. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and leave me some comments how you liked this look. And if you're going to get on Amazon and get you some lashes, or would you like me to pin a comment with the link to the lashes if they're still there? I've had these a while because, you know, I took a spell where I wasn't wearing lashes, but my own lashes are just too stubby. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.